Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how you can add a fixed sidebar using HTML and CSS. As I said that if you want to create a fixed sidebar, so here I have said fixed, right? So if you want to do it fixed, then you just have to use position fixed. So don't worry, I will show you with an example. Inside the body, I will say I want to add a div and let's say two div. And this first div is for sidebar and second div, let's say a class here main section. In the sidebar, we want to add, let's say, three anchor tag. One is for home, and the second one is for about us, and the third one is contact us. Let's say. So we want to show them in sidebar. So let's access this class in the style tag here in the head section. I just have to write here style under the title. I will say here is style, and I should mention the style type. Sorry, and I have to say it text or CSS. Here I have to say, let's say I want to access the class sidebar. So I'll say a sidebar, value braces. Inside it, I will say position fixed. Let's say in our sidebar, we have anchor tag. So let's remove underline for the anchor tag. Okay, let me just show you how it actually look like. If I go to the browser, if I refresh now, you can see we have added only three anchor tag. I mean, three link here. So let's say just want to remove the text decoration. So I will say our sidebar anchor tag. We want to remove decoration, so I will say text decoration none. Text color, let's say white. And let's say I want to set the background color for sidebar. Here I will set background color, let's say green. Now if I refresh, now you can see you have added navbar here. I mean, you have added a sidebar, but it should in column wise, right? So you can do it using one way, and that is you can make this anchor tag as block so that it takes whole width, because now anchor tag is actually working or acting as an inline block. But when you set block, then this about us and contactors will go down in the column, because when we know that every block div or every block element actually take whole width according to the I mean page width, right? So let's say we want to set here display block. Now see the result. They are in new column right now. Let's say now we want some dummy text in the second div. Let's say want to add some paragraph of lorem ipsum, some with text. And let's say for the main, I will access the main in the style site, and here main, and I will set, let's say, height of 1000 pixel, so that I can show you the example how you can fix it. I mean your sidebar, how you can fix your sidebar, right? Here you can see that when I fixed it, when I go down to the page, I mean when I scrolling and go down to the page, you can see the sidebar is coming with us, right? So this is because we have set here fixed. If position is not fixed, then see the result. If I refresh, now you can see they are in the top, but when I go down, there is nothing coming up with us. So you just have to set the position, and that is fixed. That's it. Now if refresh, now you can see there is. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.